Now back to Alice. We would have realized now there are several details missing to help Alice clearly define the scope and objectives of the dashboard that she's going to be working on. To show control and authority of the project, Alice must ask clarifying questions to help with a clearer definition. This is the foundation for every project or tasks. We spent some time defining the project management, the importance of effective project management, and any project's definition phase. The next part of this course is dedicated to the project's planning phase. First, you must list all the major tasks that must be completed during the project. These will serve as the raw materials for the other parts of the project. Once you have listed out all the tasks, the next thing you should do is identify what tasks are on the project's critical path. Doing this will help you identify the key milestones along with the necessary sequence that you must meet to complete the project. Once you have identified those milestones, you should map each task to a milestone within the project. This helps understand what tasks should take priority. You might ask, what do I do when two tasks have the same priority level? While there are several frameworks to solve this common problem, I recommend using the value to effort ratio framework. This framework allows you to measure the impact of a task against the effort required to complete the task. So, for example, if Alice had task A and task B with the same level of priority and impact level, but task A would take 3 days to complete, while task B would take 7 days to complete, then Alice should take task A first because it will take Alice less time to start delivering value. Assuming Alice can't take on both tasks simultaneously. Once you have mapped each task to a milestone and ranked the tasks with the value to efforts framework, you will have successfully identified the priority of your tasks. Please remember, this is flexible as priorities are likely to change during the course of the project for several reasons. The next thing you must do is estimate how long it takes to complete each task. Make sure you add a safety net or a contingency plan. This will allow you to make any changes necessary and be 90% sure that you will deliver and satisfy your stakeholders. There is a science to working out how much contingency to add on. This will allow you to set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. These are SMART goals. Once you have all these written out, one great way to impress your superiors and other stakeholders on the project is to prepare a Gantt chart. A Gantt chart makes it very easy for stakeholders to understand the project scope and how long it will take to complete each task on the project. Spending time to put these visuals together might seem like a daunting task initially, but having led projects for over a decade, I have found just how beneficial it is in ensuring your success is inevitable. The Gantt chart is usually most effective during a project. However, a scaled-down approach could be used in managing the execution of several tasks allotted to you by your team. This way, your historical tasks are all represented on the Gantt chart.